I don't know about you, but I wish I could start conversations with French people and get to know them better. But there are so many ways of asking a question in French. Qui, quoi, comment, pourquoi, quand, où, combien, est-ce que, and qu'est-ce que. I'm losing my mind. C'est trop pour moi. J'ai besoin d'aide. You know what? Let's ask Lily.
Hi everyone! If you're like Taylor and you want to be able to start easy conversations with French people, I invite you to stay until the end of this video to practice with us some of the most common questions in French. If you're new here, I'm Lily and this is my channel Palaf, where I help you speak and practice some French. In last week's video, we saw how to make questions beginning with qu'est-ce que and how to make more informal questions using quoi. In today's video, we're gonna cover questions beginning with est-ce que, when it's used on its own and also when it's used with other interrogative pronouns such as qui, comment, pourquoi, quand, où, combien.
Ok, merci. C'est parti. Lily, ça veut dire quoi? Est-ce que?
Well, sorry to tell you that, but there's actually no proper translation in English of est-ce que. In English, you would ask questions such as, can you do this? Are you having that? Did you live there? And the answer would start with yes or no. Well, in French, we would have different ways of asking these yes or no questions. Let's take, for example, the question, can you help me? Can you help me? The first way of asking this question would be to reverse the verb and the subject.
Peux-tu m'aider?
And don't forget to say s'il te plaît, because even though French people can be sometimes a little bit rude, we like to remain polite.
Peux-tu m'aider, s'il te plaît?
You can also use the normal sentence with the interrogation at the end.
Tu peux m'aider? Tu peux m'aider, s'il te plaît?
Yes, so don't forget the intonation at the end of the questions. Tu peux m'aider? And then there's the way with est-ce que. It's the same as the one before that, but you just have to add est-ce que at the beginning of the question.
Est-ce que tu peux m'aider? Est-ce que tu peux m'aider, s'il te plaît?
Alright, and now can you do this the same as we just did with the next question? Are you French? Are you French? Alright, so we've seen that we can reverse the verb and the subject to ask the question, but you have to know that this is not the way we would actually ask this question out loud in a daily conversation. But this is the way we would write it. Es-tu français? Or es-tu française if you're talking to a girl. Es-tu française? The second option is mostly used in French. Tu es français? Ou tu es française? And then you can use est-ce que.
Est-ce que tu es française?
Oui, tout à fait. Je suis française.
Ah, cool. Moi, je suis canadienne.
Now I've got a tip for you to help you answer every kind of questions beginning with est-ce que in French.
Oui, c'est une bonne astuce. Tu réponds par oui ou par non. Et tu utilises le même verbe que dans la question. And you use the same verb that was used in the question. Par exemple,
est-ce que tu aimes voyager?
Oui, j'aime voyager. Et toi?
Oui, moi aussi. J'adore ça. See, I'm asking her, est-ce que tu aimes voyager? And she only has to respond oui or non, and then repeat what I've asked. Oui, j'aime voyager. And to continue the conversation, you add a little et toi? So tell us in the comments below. Est-ce que toi aussi, tu aimes voyager? Alright, and now est-ce que can also be found in questions with other interrogative pronouns, such as qui?
Qui est-ce qui a frappé à la porte?
Comment?
Zut! Comment est-ce qu'on ouvre ça déjà?
Pourquoi?
Pourquoi est-ce que mon téléphone ne marchait pas?
Quand?
Quand est-ce que Lily rentre ce soir?
Où?
Où est-ce que je veux partir en vacances?
Combien?
Combien est-ce que ça coûte?
Exactly. You can use est-ce que right after the interrogative pronouns you're using in your question. So you can either ask qui a frappé à la porte or qui est-ce qui a frappé à la porte. Both are correct. Autre exemple, comment on ouvre ça? Comment est-ce qu'on ouvre ça? Pourquoi mon téléphone ne marche pas? Pourquoi est-ce que mon téléphone ne marche pas? Quand rentres-tu? Quand est-ce que tu rentres? Où pars-tu en vacances? Où est-ce que tu pars en vacances? Combien ça coûte? Combien est-ce que ça coûte? Combien est-ce que ça coûte? And now, if you want to sound a little bit more natural in French, there's actually another way we would ask it out loud. Comment, quand, où et combien can be used after the verb in the question. For example, instead of asking comment est-ce qu'on ouvre ça, you can ask on ouvre ça comment? On ouvre ça comment? Quand est-ce que tu rentres becomes tu rentres quand? Où est-ce que tu pars en vacances becomes tu pars où en vacances? Tu pars où en vacances? Et combien est-ce que ça coûte becomes
Ça coûte combien ça?
Yes, you got it.
Oh là 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 là, Lily. Ça fait beaucoup quand même. On peut avoir d'autres exercices?
Ok, tu veux des exercices. Alors, est-ce que tu peux me poser une question en français?
Oui, je peux.
Ok, je t'écoute.
Comment est-ce que tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Aurélie, mais tu peux m'appeler Lily. Et toi, tu t'appelles comment?
Moi, c'est Taylor. Et où est-ce que tu habites, Lily?
Je vis au Canada maintenant. Et toi, tu vis où?
Ah, moi aussi. Et avec qui est-ce que tu vis?
Bah, je vis avec toi, bien sûr.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Ok, à ton tour de poser une question dans les commentaires en utilisant le vocabulaire que tu as appris aujourd'hui.
Oui, tu peux poser une question avec est-ce que, qui, comment, pourquoi, quand, où, combien. C'est toi qui choisis.
Alright, and before ending this video, we want to shout out the comment of the week. Thank you so much, Javier Munoz, for your participation in our last video. If you would like to be featured in the future, you just need to leave a comment below using what you've learned with us today. And if you want more examples of questions you can ask in French, please check out this video. I really hope you learned something with us today. If that's the case, please give us a like, make sure to subscribe and to hit that notification bell to get notified each time we release a new video every single week. After all, we want to help you learn French in a fun and easy way. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I leave all the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Oh la 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 la, Lily. Reminds me of Roman off of The Circle. Oh la 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 la. Oh la la la, Lily. Ok. Choisis. C'est toi qui choisis.